All right, got my checkbook this time. I think we're finally ready to make the sale. What was the amount again? Well, due to it being nearly a year since our last meeting, our price has gone up. It's on paper there. Okay. Oh, shoot. Do you have a pen? That's adorable. Come prepared to make a deal, but don't even have a pen. Look. I really need to make this happen. Do you seriously not have a pen? No, I'm not writing the check. And until you want to start acting like an adult, I think we should retract our offer. Good night and good luck. Seriously? Because I don't have a pen? I said good night and good luck! Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. I've been working on a couple bigger projects, so you've probably noticed the compilation videos I've been posting to my channel. However, I had someone ask about adding a pen loop to a checkbook cover since they had seen my checkbook cover video, and I wanted to do a follow-up to it, so let's get to it. Today I'm using some Wicket & Craig medium brown harness leather, about 3 ounces thick. I'm using the pattern from the previous project to cut out this checkbook cover. I recently purchased this scratch awl and a couple other items from Palo Santo. Palo Santo? Am I saying that right? Anyway, they're out of South Korea and they produce some fantastic edge bevelers, French edgers, and scratch awls. You should check them out. So I'm starting to trace out the basic pattern here. And since this is kind of a hybrid between this checkbook cover and the Wordsmith notebook that I produce, I'm using the same pattern from the Wordsmith notebook to make those interlocking pin loops. Then it's just a matter of cutting it out with the straight edge and a knife. Here I'm just checking the distance between the edge and the stitch line for the other pen loop so that it gets stitched in correctly. Then I just cut out the interior of the checkbook cover. Here's one of the other items I purchased from Palo Santo. It's a edge beveler and it's extremely sharp right out of the box and it's fantastic to work with. Then I just went ahead and beveled both the top and bottom of all the exposed edges. I'm using the Palo Santo French edger so I can skive down a little bit of that leather that's going to be maybe potentially a bit bulky as I stitch this whole project together. It's a lot thinner now. Perfect. Then I'm cutting off some of the excess as well as making that edge a little bit nicer. And then I started dyeing all the exposed edges. If you don't have one of these acrylic refillable felt tip markers, you should really have one in your arsenal. They're really great to fill with some edge dye or maybe some tokonal. I can't pinpoint which crafter pointed this out, but I'm using one of those felt tip markers filled with tokonal and water in equal parts, and that helps the tokonal flow a bit better and adhere into the edge as I'm going to be burnishing all my edges from now on out. And here I'm just gluing it up with some EcoWeld, a water-based adhesive. I always like to hammer down the edges to make sure that the glue adheres. And here I'm just using my scratch awl to glue up that other pen loop. Then I use a corner punch to round those corners. I'm giving a first pass of sanding before I go to bevel the edges and use my wing divider to put in the stitch groove. Now I'm using my KS blade punch pricking irons to hammer in all my stitch holes. And from there, just stitch it up. Today I'm using some Vinimo MBT number 5 brown thread. I also like to hammer in the stitches to make sure that they lie flat. And here's a snippet of the many passes of sanding that I'm doing with some of that toconal water-based edging before I sand each next level. Once I get it to my liking, I'm adding some brown edge dye. Once that's dried, I add some more of that toconal water mixture and start to burnish with my Cocobola wood attachment on my rotary Dremel tool. Then more of that toconal water mixture and a piece of canvas cloth. Then at the end of the project, I'm using a bone folder to get into all those corners to make sure I relieve all the stresses. And that's pretty much it. But let's check out some B-roll. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something. I am on Instagram at legacybrandleather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post product photos, process photos, and general rugged vibes. If you want to support my channel, head to patreon.com/legacybrandleather. I've recently added some other cotton fabric inlay options to the Ventura wallet in olive green harness leather, and those are on my site right now, so go ahead and check those out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, so it looks like this channel is near 20,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So first of all, thank you. Second of all, I want to do a giveaway. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and also follow my Instagram where I post the up-to-date information for Legacy Brand Leather and also some details for the upcoming giveaway. Anyways, stay safe out there.